Good morning. We are going to make a homemade ginger spice mix. That's right. It only takes 4 ingredients and you can put it on pancakes, waffles, gingerbread pound cakes, peanut butter granola, and so much more. So come along, and I like to share this with you. We are going to use cinnamon, allspice, cloves, and nutmeg. And all this is according to your brand that you like of spices, or if you're homemade spices. But this is a good mix to keep on hand for the holidays. It's also a great mix to give away. And it's just that time of year, folks. We all like gingerbread. Well, I do anyways. I like everything gingerbread, but with Mr. R being a diabetic now, it's kind of hard. But hey, we do what we got to do, right? So let's get started. And you also got to have a small jar, okay? And some measuring spoons. And that's about all you got to have. And everything will be in the description box below. You need 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Let me open the jar. And I also got to pan you down. Whoa. I guess you're coming loose here. Loose screw. That's okay. All right. So we want 2 tablespoons. One. Hope everybody's doing well. There's 2. I'm hoping this little jar will work. Ray bought me these. These are the Made in America. They were $5.99 at Rennie's, and they're little jars. They're 4-ounce jars, and they're the cutest little thing. And they come in a 4-pack. So let's finish this. I just wanted to show you. Okay, we're all done with the cinnamon. Now we got cloves. Oh, cloves smell so good. And for the cloves, we are going to use 1 teaspoon. Oh, I love cloves. 1 teaspoon right there. And then allspice. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of allspice. Let me see here. Hold on just 1 minute. Maggie's calling my attention. Sorry about that. When Maggie calls, Maggie calls. So we've got allspice here. 1 teaspoon. You might hear her. She just woke up from her nap. And we want 1 teaspoon of cloves. And 1 teaspoon of cloves. Just like that. Wow, I am surprised. Now, I'm going to make this for myself, and I'm going to make a double batch because there's plenty of room. But I'm not going to show you my double batch. I'm going to come back and do that. I'm going to show you like I'm going to gift it out. So knowing that I can make this much, I will gift it out. And what I'm going to do is you take a tag, and you get a tag that you can write on it what it is and the ingredients. And then what you want to do is you want to take it like this, and you want to tie it. I took some raffia, just like this, and let's see here. gonna cut this off. I could have made it so it was even, but I didn't. So what I'll do is this. And how cute is that? You got the mix right there. And then you got how to make it right there. So this makes a wonderful gift for the holidays or any time. So if you like this video, give me thumbs up. You never know what's going to be on my videos. Hey, don't forget to ring that bell if you haven't. Share out my videos. Have a great day. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.